What's up, guys? Welcome to Euphoric. How y'all doing? Got Adam in front of me. Got, I don't know if you can see, Max behind us. Phil and Jason ahead of Adam. And today we are heading up to... Phil, Max, and I went there last year and it was amazing. It was such a beautiful area. And so we decided to get our friends, get Adam, get Jason, and go up there for a weekend. Drive around, just have a good time, and just enjoy 4 days up there in the beautiful mountains. Right now we have about 3 hours and 40 minutes to go. Estimated time of arrival 6:03. With how things usually go with stops and everything and traffic, it's probably gonna be 6:30, maybe 7. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one. This is my first road trip where Adam and I are taking separate cars. So yeah, we just get on the parkway, or we just got on the parkway. Come and join us on the trip. Hopefully this drive is not too long. There's a cop and I hope he's not after me, because it'd be kind of funny if he was. I just really hope the traffic's not too bad, because if it is, I hate fucking traffic. Traffic's the worst. Got some loves. So, oh, yeah. Damn, that's not good.
That just happened.
Yeah. Jason, why'd you do that? Why are you throwing rocks at people?
Only at children.
Got to our first rest stop. I guess only rest stop at Love's. Unfortunately, Adam has a little bit more damage to his car than normal.
Euphoric, sponsored by Safe Light. Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace.
All right. Didn't record anything in Love's. But I mean, we just bought like taquitos and other poison. So yeah, we got about 44 minutes to go. We did have some traffic come up here from New Jersey, but overall it wasn't too bad. Smooth drive so far. And I guess we're gonna be at our house in about 48 minutes.
How's it going, Euphoric? I'm Adam. There's Dave. There's the rest of our friends. We're up in the mountains of somewhere, and we have quite a few cars. My car, Phil, Dave, and Max. There you go. What's up? And today we're just gonna be doing some driving, some 360 POV cameras. You can see on Dave's car right there. I'm probably not gonna be running much, if at all, today because, well, that happened and I cooked my AutoZone brakes. If you're wondering what happened to my fender, don't worry about it. I'm okay, everything's fine, but just know my brakes aren't fine, so we'll figure that out. But I'm probably not gonna be running. They are, and you'll see the 360 POV. This is gonna be more of like a Dave's video, so I'm just gonna be doing the intro or something. But yeah, we'll take you to the 360 POV, and shall we begin? Off to Dave, see ya.
No! That sucks. We just, car just fucking drove by. There was no car for, oh my God, there was no car for.
So,
No car, no car for like 10, oh my God. shit moving around. Damn, they're so much faster than I am. Dude, I love these kinds of roads. Man, I wish we had more of these in like New Jersey. There's a couple in New Jersey, or in like New York. Whoops. Let's shift. I'm still learning this car. God, this car is so much fun to drive. It's my first time ever on like a Touge road in this car, and I'm just loving it. It handles this corner so well. I'm still not fully confident in my driving abilities. I'm definitely not like the best driver. I think out of all the drivers here, I'd say Max is the best. But yeah, this car, it genuinely handles like it's on rails. And that's kind of what the car's meant for. We were here yesterday and it started raining, but we were doing a downhill. I lost. Yo, what's up?
I think you already know what happened, but
What happened?
Your camera's all the way down.
Oh, of course. All right, what's up, guys? Oh, this is gonna be noisy. New day. This is the last day up here. And we got cars full of luggage, so we're not gonna be pushing it too hard. Not that we push it hard to begin with, but I think I got a better angle on the camera in the back. So we'll see how this goes. They got me leading this time. So we'll see how this goes. These hairpins. Oh man. Like I said earlier, if only we had more of these kinds of roads in New Jersey. Just letting the car sing. Ooh, I'm looking into getting a wireless microphone for the Insta360. Oh, I just cut the yellow. Got the yellow a little bit. Oops. I'm looking at getting a new microphone for the Insta360. Because the wind noise is just unbearable a little bit. It's not the worst, but it's like definitely not the best. And I think a new mic next to the exhaust would be perfect. The only thing is that it's like 80 bucks on Amazon. And I can't really afford that right now. This trip has been decently expensive, especially with gas. The good thing is that it's a Monday right now, so there's gonna be no one up here. Yesterday when we went, it was a Sunday, so it was like fully packed. We couldn't get a good run in. We had a couple of decent runs, but we couldn't get a full run. It's crazy. Said this in the video like a million times already, but I'm saying with you in the car. New Jersey needs a lot more of these kind of roads.
Yes. There's
like,
nothing like this.
I know we have a decent amount of like some of these roads in like upstate New Jersey. But that's like High Point.
Yeah.
Clinton Road.
I've only hiked High Point. Hey, Clinton Road is the scary one.
It's so much fun.
It is.
I still hate the fact that all this road work is still here.
Yeah, there's another one on this one too, further down.
I think there's two more.
If I remember.
There's one. Got that New Jersey construction speed.
Construction site was given to me at 3,000 years ago.
Yeah, there's the third one. In a dumb spot. It's like sort of a blind corner, but not really. Just the sign.
When you see a sign with squiggles, it's a good sign.
I just love how good this car sounds.
It sounds really nice.
There's a specific exhaust that I want to get for it. I just can't wait till I can afford it.
25 maybe.
Allegedly. Jason, it says 25.
Yeah, you're right.
That's how fast we're going.
Sorry, I can't read.
Wait.
That was a bump.
No way, really? That was also a bump.
I feel like this way's longer down, but it's faster down.
It is. Such a fast road.
No way, 25 and a 25.
We only do things legally on Euphoric.
True. That's why you didn't run that red light earlier. Oh no. Are we getting pulled over? Is he pulling out?
No. He might be waiting for the other cars.
Oh no.
It might just be like he's sitting there to tell us to slow down.
the fuck down.
He didn't seem to be following
I
Adam.
didn't see anyone behind Adam.
I mean, we will see. He might just be taking a long K-turn.
Speed up, go. I mean, what?
I know some people that would.
I mean, you definitely outrun the pickup truck.
Okay, now we're actually going 25.
What do you mean? We've been going 25 the whole time.
Now we're going 24. He let us up for going like a 1 over the speed limit.
Yeah, we were going 26, guys. Sorry.
Oh, that's funny. At least he like seems to be chill about it, where it's like they're just kids having fun.
He knows what's up.
Kids, we're all adults except for Adam.
Yeah, where's one kid?
What's up, guys? If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate the love and support as always. Let us know some feedback. Let us know if you like these kinds of videos. It's a little bit different than what we normally make, but if you guys like this kind of stuff, we're definitely gonna make more of it. I had a good time up there. Adam had a good time up there. And we're just so excited to make more of these kinds of videos. Show some love and support, leave a like, drop a comment, share this with your friends, share it with your grandma, and let us know how to improve our videos. We're always looking to get better and improve. So yeah, that's it. I'm exhausted. It is 3:49 in the morning. I just came back from work. Expect more videos coming soon. More E36 content on the way. Your Corolla content, Lancer content. And let us know if there's anything in particular you guys want to see. Anything that we can do. Always open to suggestions. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you all. Have a good one.